In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide a chat in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're a seasoned Teams user or someone who's just getting started, understanding how to manage and organize your chats can help you stay on top of your communications. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together, ensuring you can get back to that important conversation with ease. First things first, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams. This can be done either on your computer or mobile device, wherever you have the application installed. If you find Microsoft Teams already pinned to your taskbar or home screen, you're just a click away from launching it. Otherwise, you might need to search for it in your application list or use your device's search function. Once you've got Teams up and running, you'll be greeted by its familiar interface. Now, let's locate the chat you want to unhide. For this, you'll want to use the search bar, which you'll find conveniently located at the top of the Teams interface. Think of the search bar as your personal shortcut to quickly finding any conversation. Simply start typing the name of the person or group you were chatting with. This search function is particularly handy if you have many ongoing chats or if some time has passed since your last conversation with them. Once you've entered your search query, keep an eye out for the search results that appear. Among these results, you should see the chat you're looking to unhide. Give it a click, and this will bring up the chat history associated with that person or group. If for any reason it doesn't appear immediately, double-check your spelling or try using a different keyword related to the chat. You've got the chat open. What's next? It's time to unhide it. In some cases, you might see an Unhide option directly available within the chat window. However, if it doesn't immediately jump out at you, no worries. There's an alternative method. Simply right-click on the chat name. By doing so, a context menu will drop down, and you'll want to select the Unhide option from this list. Both methods achieve the same goal, so choose whichever one you find easier or more intuitive. Now that you've unhided the chat, it's time to verify its visibility. Look over to your chat list, which is typically found on the left-hand side of the Teams interface. Browse through this list, and you should now see the chat back among your regular conversations, ready and waiting for you to pick up right where you left off. And there you have it, a straightforward way to unhide a chat in Microsoft Teams. As you continue to use Teams, these little tips and tricks will help enhance your efficiency and make your communication even smoother. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.